How to use TikTok's editing tool. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your TikTok application from your device and get logged into your TikTok account. Once done, tap onto your profile. Now let's go ahead and post a video or photo. To do that, simply tap on the plus icon at the middle section. Now once you select a photo or video to post, you will see Add Sound option at the top page. Tap onto it. Now at this page, you will see various sound that you can use for your video. You can also adjust the volume. To do that, tap onto volume. You can also increase or decrease the original sound of the video. As I'm using image here, it has no audio, so it shows original sound in a little dim light. Now you can also increase or decrease the added sounds. Once done, tap onto done. Now here you will see AA icon. Here you can type in anything that you would like. You can also change the font. Once you're satisfied, simply tap onto done. You can place it wherever you would like. There's also text to speech, which will direct all the text into a speech. Likewise, if you tap on the sticker, it will show you all the sticker, and it will also show you Giphy if you type in anything. Here are emojis as well. Moving over to next editing tool, there is a plus icon where you can add your own topic. Likewise, you can also record your audio. To do that, simply tap on record. Once done, tap on save. Here you can also add a cover image. To do that, tap on edit cover. It will open up your gallery section. From there, choose any image that you would like to cover this video. Once done, tap on to post. Just like so, this is how you can use TikTok editing tool. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.